possible way to find the cheapest domain, the possible ways to find the new domain which is cheapest one, and also renew the already purchased domain on, and also transfer domain from one web hosting to different hosting. The most common websites are used to purchase the cheapest domain all over the world. The first one is domcom.com and the second website is tldlist.com. For example, in this website, we'll simply type the domain name rajaclaim.com, and I'll get the comparison from all the possible domain websites. It will simply display the comparison among the prices. The cheapest domain I'll get from GoDaddy website. Second one is Dynadot.com and all domains. And also Pork1 offers with .company extension. The .com one offering $5. So this is how we can find the cheapest domain on domcom website. We can also renew the domain from Pork1 at 8.58, which is cheaper as compared to the GoDaddy. So yes, we can also renew the already purchased domain this way, and also we can transfer from one hosting to different, and they also giving us the option of the cheapest option, which is by internet.bs. And let's for the purchase option, you will need to just simply click on here. It will directly take you to the website of godaddy.com, and then you'll be able to purchase that domain. uh, the procedure pretty simple. Just simply type the domain name you want to get with the extension. The website will search among all the possible website register options to get you the cheapest domain. They are also providing me the same option with the godaddy.com with $5.17, and with the pork one they are offering 2.07, but the extension is .company, and the cheapest renewal option is also provided by save.com. So whenever you want to purchase a new domain with any extension, with .com extension, .co, .company, .store, .live, anything, just simply open these websites, tldlist.com and domcom.com. You will get the cheapest domain from all over the world existing registered domain websites.